Okay, welcome back. As we saw in the last video, we got a domain set up and we had LAMP installed on our DigitalOcean droplet. Now the next step is to install WordPress on the server. What you need to do is go to a terminal, and you can now SSH in using your domain name and not just the IP address. Make sure you use your username at domain name, accept the authenticity. Now enter your password for your user. The next step is to download WordPress. Currently, if you type pwd, you're working in your home directory. What you're going to use is the wget command. Go to wordpress.org/download and copy the link for the tar.gz URL. Go back to your terminal and type wget and paste in the URL. Type tar xvf latest.tar.gz. Now if you list the directories, you will see you have a WordPress directory. Next thing you want to do is put this WordPress directory in your Apache directory. The location to put web directories is var www. Currently there's an HTML directory, and that is the folder where the default landing page is. We are going to move the WordPress folder here. You can call it whatever you like. I'm going to keep the folder name WordPress. I'm going to type in sudo mv WordPress to var www. Type in your user password. Now if you cd to var www, you should see your WordPress directory there. Next thing we have to do is set up a configuration file so that Apache recognizes this directory. cd to the directory etc apache2 sites-available. List the directory contents. You will see the default configuration. If this is the only WordPress application you're hosting on the server, it is okay to modify the default configuration. Use your editor of choice, Nano or Vim. I use Vim. And sudo edit 000-default.conf. For server admin, enter your email address. For document root, instead of using HTML, use your WordPress site. Everything else is just fine. Now restart Apache. Sudo system control restart Apache 2. Now go back to your domain in the browser and click refresh. Now you have WordPress installed. Go back to the terminal. Type sudo mysql-u root. Now you want to create a database for WordPress. You also want to create a database user. Now you want to grant all privileges to the WordPress user. Then flush privileges. Now you can exit. Type sudo chown www-data www-data-r current directory. Now go back to the WordPress configuration. Make sure the password is correct. Click the Run Installation button. For site title, give it a meaningful name. For username, give it what you'd like. For password, give it something that you'll remember. For email, enter your email. I'm going to click Discourage search engines from indexing this site. That's because this is just a demo site, but I would not do this if this is a public site that you want to use. Click Install WordPress. Success, WordPress has been installed. Go ahead and log into WordPress. Congratulations, you've gotten to the WordPress administration panel. Go to your domain name and you'll see a Hello World WordPress site.